This is Redwood, home to the School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences here in Cardiff. When you walk through these doors, you're stepping into a community built around science, teamwork, and curiosity. Pharmacy has been taught here for over a century. The school began as the Welsh School of Pharmacy and has grown alongside the profession itself, adapting to new discoveries and the changing needs of healthcare. That history still shapes what we do today. The story of the school has been written by generations of students and staff, and is still being written now. Today, learning takes place in modern teaching and research labs. Students get hands-on experience, from drug formulation and analysis to creative projects like building 3D printers and bioprinting skin models. What you study here connects directly to the science that is happening right now. Teaching brings practical work together with discussion and reflection. Through workshops and small group sessions, students are encouraged to ask questions, share ideas, and think things through together. Pharmacy at Cardiff is closely linked to clinical practice too. In the clinical simulation ward, students practice real-life communication and decision-making in safe, realistic settings. As you move through the building, you see research posters and active projects groups, a reminder that this is a place where ideas are constantly developing. Here, we learn how to do research and how to share our work with the world. There are also shared places to relax, connect, and be part of student life beyond the lab. If you're thinking about taking the next step, this is a place to grow in confidence and capability. A place to build your knowledge, develop your skills, and begin to shape your future in pharmacy.